Okay, whoa, stop right there. Hey, are you getting ready to go buy a new garden hoe, or maybe not a garden hoe, but a rake or a shovel? Why not try to fix it, repair it, and reuse it? Save yourself some money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore and reuse your old broken down garden implements. So let's go. Okay, so before I really jump into this, we're going to start with the actual hoe itself. I've still got a piece of the handle stuck in there, so I'm going to actually try to get that out, clean it up, try to take all this apart, and then because this has got a lot of dirt and I've used it for concrete, I'm going to try to brush it clean as much as possible, get all that stuff off of there, and then I'm going to use some Evapo-Rust and let it sit in there overnight to soak and get all of the rust off of it, saving me a lot of elbow grease, and it does a better job than I really could do anywhere else. So when you are using Evapo-Rust, it's really important and imperative that you wear safety glasses and gloves. You really don't want this stuff getting in your eyes. In fact, I would even recommend using some old clothing, or if you've got an apron, put that on just to protect your clothes from this stuff as well. Okay, so I've got the little funnel fitting looking piece painted red, and all the rust is off of the actual hoe part. I'm going to actually take it outside, use an angle grinder, and shine it up because there's still some concrete that just didn't come off. But I want to turn my attention to the handle. Now, my handle broke tip, and so the part that was actually in the metal obviously is just gone. So what I'm going to have to do is shorten it up and just whittle it down to fit inside of the little cover that goes over top here. I also need to drill the hole for that to reinsert into this rod. And for the rest of it, what I'm going to do is just take some 80 grit sandpaper and go over it by hand, just trying to get it a little smoother, a little cleaner, and then maybe go to the 220 or 120, one of those. Just try to get it nice and looking pretty good. Then we're going to put some boiled linseed oil on it just so to give it some protection. I don't want to put any polyurethane. I don't really like to put that on my stuff, mainly because it will just chip and peel off in time anyways. I just like to give it a nice protective oil coating. Okay guys, so the garden implement, the garden hoe, is completely finished and it's usable now. So this may not be a perfect fit for all different brands, and it may be something that will just buy you some more time to allow you to use maybe some of the old ones, or if you've got a family heirloom like I have, some of the ones I've got have been passed on from generation to generation. I don't want to throw them away. So this is something you could do, fix it up and then hang it on a wall or hang it up in your barn, whatever you want to do. Just it gives you the ability to repurpose it and reuse something that's already broken. So thank you for watching this video. If this is something that was interesting to you, please hit that like button and please subscribe if you haven't already. But thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time right here in the workshop.